Ladies, ma'am, straight please. Ma'am, सामने. Ma'am, सामने please. Ma'am, सामने. Ma'am, right. Ma'am here. Straight here. Ma'am here. Ma'am here, straight. मैं थोड़ा जैसे वीडियो कुछ नहीं पकड़ अपना अरे लो शायद से नाम की ले लीजिए बोलो हेलो ये साइड है ना रोलिंग what does fashion mean to you? I think fashion is there in everything that we do. So fashion is not really related to only clothes. Fashion is about, of course, the clothes we wear, but also about the way we live, what we eat. It's a way to celebrate life with a little more creative thought to what you would otherwise have done. So you know, when you creatively make some nice dish, creatively live in a lovely house, creatively dress up, it is, I think, that celebrating life with a little more creativity and looking forward to the day with that creativity. So over here? So special designs, my special designs that have recently come out is my Lakme collection that I just recently launched, which was inspired by the beautiful city of Paris called Paris Amour. It's a beautiful black and white range with color blocking, something like what I'm wearing. And among the students today, I've seen their work. I think they're extremely talented, and I'm looking forward to seeing their collections now. Also, I think it's lovely to for all of us, y'all and us, to come here and encourage students. They need it the most. They're the beginning phase of their careers, and I think we need to give it back to society by encouraging the youth and the students. So that's why I'm here. Favorite fashion designer, as in from the world, from which fraternity? Oh, there's so many. I love the work of Elie Saab among the many, but there are so many. Thank you. You do any clothes of yourself or some other? I wear a lot of stuff, like what I'm wearing today is my own creation, but I do wear a lot of clothes of many other designers also, because just to wear your own clothes, it gets a little monotonous, and when you wear other people's clothes, it's very interesting, because literally some designers are so strong that when you wear the garment, you actually feel that, अच्छा जब इसने ये बनाया तो उसने ये सोचा होगा. He must have thought of that. That's why the zip is here. That's why. So it's amazing. I mean, they communicate so much to you by just a garment that you're wearing.